Are you looking to move all your IT assets securely to a new location without damaging your assets? At Guardian Data Destruction, we offer white glove packing. This includes our team pulling up on site, decommissioning IT assets, bubble wrapping, blanketing, palletizing, and transporting the assets using our own secure branded trucks. Once an asset is palletized, it can safely and securely be transported to another site without damage. We decommission entire data centers down to a small office. Guardian Data Destruction supports the US and Canada. Our experienced staff, from customer service to the local driver, will provide you with the level of service you need for security and peace of mind. We have full accountability of your equipment. The visibility of captured data at the time of pick will ensure and verify that your assets are fully protected and recovered. We even offer special services, inventory and warehouse management programs, custom project site deployment and asset recovery, time-specific pickups, email notification and coordination with technicians, serial number protocols, swap-outs and rollouts, web interface and online order entry. If you need your IT assets transported in a secure, safe and working condition, we are prepared for the entire process from the removal to delivery. Call us today on 718-609-1685.